as you can see, I already goofed on this one. You can kind of see the orange under here. I've repainted over it white. When I first put the acrylic on, it was really thick. I did not have it watered down enough, and acrylic paints dry really quick. And obviously, if it's a dark, straight, prominent line, it's not going to look like a watercolor. So I just painted over my canvas, and we're going to try again with a little more water in our color this time. So I'll water that down quite a bit. That might actually be a little too much watered down. So we're going to dip that a little. There we go. That's more like a watercolor. Oof. That one might be a little darker. Just going to blend it a little bit. I keep wiping my brush some. I don't want these too dark. And they don't have to be perfect because we're going to blend it with other colors. And let's face it, nothing I do is perfect. I just hope the end result is better than how it's beginning. I think if I remember right, we had a little more orange throughout. Let's see. I don't know if this is the sun. I think I want to maybe a couple of oranges streaking off this way. And this. Well, that turned out a little more prominent than I wanted, so we'll just add a little water to our brush before it dries. Blend that in some. Maybe I should have watched a tutorial. This looks terrible. Okay, well, basically, guys, I'm going to keep doing that, blending my different colors until we get the finished result. So the blending process isn't too awful once you get started. You go over it, and as you can see a few places here crossed. Kind of blends in pretty well. So maybe it won't be a total disaster in the end. Now we're going to mix up a little bit of purple. I don't want that purple too dark, though. I don't want it too thin either. So that looks like a good consistency. We'll see how it shows up more color there and then blends in and changes colors. Really like that. Okay. Looks more like a sunset. It's starting to, anyways. I'm not even looking at the picture anymore, guys. I'm just winging it. We're just going to make something totally different. Same concept, different design. Looks like 3-year-old scribbling. Well, let's see how it all turns out. Just a little bit of that darker without any water. A couple of distinctive lines. Dry brush this in. Alright guys, I'm going to do the rest. I just want to show you how well that was actually starting to blend. And of course, if it doesn't look like it's blending quite the way you want, you can always wet down your brush and blend it. I'm using a bigger brush for this, and I just slightly dampened it, and I'm really not giving any thought to how this is. I'm just going over it with a slightly damp brush. Blend it in a little. Alright. So as you can see, I've decided to make mine look more like swirls coming off the sun. So far we've got the orange, the 2 yellows, the pink, the purple. Now we're going to put in these 2 blues. And I've just been doing like just swishes back and forth and then swirls. kind of doing whatever. And we'll get the base, and then we'll put in the black tree, and then we'll do the little decorative circle accents. So I'm going in with a blue, and I've really had to water the darker blue down a lot. It's very bright. I really like that one. But I'm going in there, as you can see here, and just kind of going over some of the other colors, but trying more to fill in some of the spots in the background without messing with the other colors too awful much. No, your screen is not playing tricks. The background behind it is now black. I moved locations. Ooh, that's a little darker than I wanted, so we're going to blot that dry and blend that in some with the dry brush. Okay, that's a little better. And with it still somewhat dry, there's still a little color on it. We're just going to go in and kind of fill in a few spots. Going a little bit of yellow there too. Still have a little bit of that watered down yellow mixed up, so I'm just going to brush that in a little too. Got kind of a fading sky look. So obviously mine's not going to be anything like theirs, but maybe it'll still look pretty. Well, let's see. We'll see how it turns out. Okay, so I'm taking a dry brush, and you can see a couple spots here. I've added a little bit of white to kind of highlight, maybe give a little brightness to it. And I'm just going to go in here and there and brighten it up a little. And again, like I said, this is a dry brush, which means I'm not wetting the bristles, and I am dabbing the paint off, so it's not very thick. Because I don't want to completely coat it, I just kind of want to highlight certain spots.